Okay, real quick, I just wanted to show you a couple things as far as testing goes again, together with this landing page and copy format. I did mention that video converts higher than typical text, just normal copy. That's not always the case, and so I wanted to show you a real live example of this. Here's one right here. So here's the A/B test. The one thing that they changed was this one has a video, this one does not. This one just has this big arrow. Now, the one with the video has a 12.5 conversion rate, but the one without a video has a 21% conversion rate. So that tells me one thing. This video isn't done very well. Either people aren't sure what this is about when they just listen to it, so they typically when there's a video, people do less reading and more listening. So if this video didn't explain really well what the offer was or why someone would want to give their email away, then it's not going to convert very well. So to give you an example of this, typically video does convert better, but let's say you're talking to business people, you're addressing high caliber business people, and you have a video. Well, if your video is done poorly, let's say you're out in a barn with some overalls or whatever, that's not going to convert very well. Now, nothing wrong with barns and overalls, but it's got to match up with your prospect. Let's say you're talking about how to grow a good garden or increase your crop or something like that. That's going to fit in perfectly. It's going to do well. So here's two different variations. This is called an A/B split test. And so 12.5 to 21, so we have a clear winner. They did some more testing and ended up showing that this one down here is actually the winner. So, big deal. I mean, think if they would have done this and said, okay, we're done. And they would have spent a bunch of money or time or effort converting traffic to get here, and then just to have 12.5% opt-in. Now, that's a big difference to a 28%. That's a 125% difference. So, that's a big deal. So anyway, I wanted you to know that it's not cut and dry like that. If you have a good video, that's going to convert better. If not, then it won't. So the bottom line is, what I'm trying to get at, testing is key. You got to do this often and as much as possible. And I love to test. My goal is to find a landing page that converts as high as I can, close to 100% as I can. That's going to be near impossible to get 100%, but I want to get the highest number possible to just blow people away when they hear my numbers. So that's what I'm focused on here, and I hope that was helpful. For now, we'll catch you in a minute.